recording.
Hello all, this is our team Joey and Ivan introducing our service or product, which would be Inflow. We are from the University of Melbourne and we'll be participating in this MYOB Digital competition. Meet the team. My name is Joey and I am a accounting and finance student studying commerce at the University of Melbourne.
Hi, my name is Ivan. I am a second year um, student in the University of Melbourne studying commerce and majoring in accounting and finance.
So our current idea is to create a generative AI solution that would be able to convert all incoming invoices from suppliers of our clients into a standardized format. So it will all look the same with the right information, but it will be more clear and efficient now. We are hoping that this idea would bring great value.
Agenda. So we'll be going through the problem and what the problem we wish that our generative AI solution would solve. Of course, our solution, how it will solve this problem, and the roadmap of our solution, how the model will come to be, the steps of development for it. We'll also be going through the risk and challenges, the potential risks and our mitigation and our solution plan for those, marketing foresight, and how our solution will be able to be marketed for the greater community and competition and our competitors within the industry and in the market currently. Problem. So currently, the problem facing us is that businesses receive invoices in different formats. Many businesses have many suppliers, and each of them have their own different formats with all sorts of important information, such as their name, their amount due, different credit terms with different business numbers. And so this is a problem for us and for a lot of small, medium enterprises. And this is a problem because of the data inconsistency. Different invoice formats lead to inconsistent data management and potential errors requiring multiple tools for processing. It also creates processing delays. Varied formats result in different processing methods, causing longer invoice processing times and operational inefficiency. And yeah, moving on to the next slide. Our solution. We want to, by using generative AI, standardize all incoming invoices. So invoices sent by suppliers, services, and other expenses are scanned and read by our model, and their information is scanned and formatted into one single standard that makes it that comes for us who bring greater clarity and consistency, genuine straightforwardness through converting invoices through a pre-selected format through generative AI. And the result is, of course, all invoices now have the same format and are stored within client database.
So this is pretty much a depiction of what our solution would do. So here we have different invoices, could be receipts as well. This is also what we want to do. We want to get invoices, receipts, and then turn them all into pretty much the same format of what our client wants, which would be pre-selected. And so that would be our proposition to them. So same information and the same format. making everything more easier and more readable with high clarity. And that's the value we want to present to our clients. So our production roadmap, this is what we currently have in mind. Developing the solution, the AI model, most likely on Amazon Web Services for about 3 to 5 weeks, and then training the model where we would be collecting data or using our own data for 3 to 5 weeks, and then testing the model with the data, and then new data that will come in for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then 4 to 5 weeks for integration. Mobile integration. As a client solution, a mobile app to scan physical invoices will be part of the services for clients that are mailed invoices. So right now we don't have a working prototype, but the idea is that we would have an app which would allow our clients, which are business owners, to receive an invoice, scan it easily, turn it into a PDF copy, have the original copy stored, and then convert it into another copy, which the client would store on their databases. And that's pretty much the mobile integration that we really want to put in.
So are we going through the recent challenges? One challenge is the lack of training data. Model would need invoice data to train into generating invoices into favorable formats. And so we would need to be able to collect quite a large number of invoices that that are specific to each region as well, where different formats of different invoices between, say, country to country with different accounting standards would also limit the amount of invoice data we have for each training. Mitigation of we would also need to outsource data and of course keep in mind data privacy and consent. So we are training it based on it.
And now with the editors.
So this would be using our own invoices. And another challenge is the integration with existing systems. Businesses often use a range of software for their operations, including accounting, customer relationship management, and more. Integrating inflow with these existing systems could be challenging, but it's crucial for a seamless operational and user experience. And our solution is integration rather be integrated into software giants such as MYOB to add to their arsenal and giving clients a seamless experience. So the market plan
Now
will be
moving on to
explained.
the market plan. So our market plan, if it's path of independency, just as a software solution on its own, would be through marketing through LinkedIn, through business owners and key business figures. This would be through cold emails and cold messages to such people. Otherwise, we would be just using the advertising system on LinkedIn. Otherwise, as an add-on, we would want to sell the software, this solution, to an accounting giant, software giant like MYOB, to add to their arsenal of business solutions. Here's a proposed financial model that we made. And the cost would be mostly just using LinkedIn's marketing system. And the revenue, we believe, would be exponential, just keep growing in a linear trend for a subscription system. Thank you very much for watching our video.